Okay, guys, he's back. He's on the feeder. This is Woodpecker. Sometimes he'll hang upside down and look at you to see if you're watching him. But he's a mess. And he don't want any of the other birds around when he's eating. He watches carefully. Anyway, that's Woodpecker. I just love watching him. Won't be long, my hummingbirds will be coming back, and I can't wait to start filming them. And I was going to go for a walk today, but it's going to have to warm up a little bit. As you can see, it's, well, let me see. It's kind of cloudy and cool and a little bit breezy today. So maybe later I'll bundle up and go for a walk. I know I usually walk at night, but we'll just see what happens. I got a couple of more woodpeckers over there that live in that trio, so I was kind of hoping they'd show up with him, but I haven't seen him. Okay, well, he got his fill and he took off, so I guess I will try to catch some more things later. Talk to you later. Bye.